Welcome to my channel. Today we'll look for another 30 questions with a step towards a PCM1 preparation. First question, when is an increment created? Options are when the developers decide it's the right time to create one, as soon as a product backlog item meets the definition of done, when the product owner accepts the work during the sprint review, immediately after the sprint review meeting, or when all the work in the sprint backlog is completed. Answer is as long as a product backlog item meets the definition of done. Scrum Guide 2020 explains the moment a product backlog item meets the definition of done, an increment is born. Next question. A new Scrum Master has been hired to lead an organization in its Scrum adoption. The first challenge is to help form multiple Scrum teams from a larger group of people. How should a Scrum Master proceed? Options are find out which skills are required in the product, create a skill matrix, and use it to structure the teams, or involve the managers as they already know the employees. Create randomized groups so that there are no disputes. As the product owner to decide who should be in each team. As the developers to find a way to divide themselves into teams. Answer is as the developers to find a way to divide themselves into teams. Self managing is one of the most important aspects regarding how teams should work in Scrum. Next question. The size of the Scrum team should be options typically 10 of your people, 3 to 9 members, 3 to 7 members, proportional to the complexity of the product, at least one Scrum Master, one product owner, and one developer. Answer is typically 10 of your people. The Scrum Guide 2020 explains Scrum team is small enough to remain nimble and large enough to complete significant work within a sprint, typically 10 of your people. Next question. What is Scrum? Options, a buzzword, a methodology, a proven approach for developing successful products, a framework, a cookbook, depends on the industry, an exact plan which describes how a product should be properly built. Answer is a framework. Scrum is a framework for developing complex products. Next question. The developers can communicate with the stakeholders only during the sprint review meeting. True or false? Answer is false. The developers can interact with the stakeholders anytime during the sprint. The Scrum Guide doesn't impose any restrictions. Next question. Which of the following is the accountability of the product owner? Options. Managing the developers, managing the project, and making sure the stakeholders are certified, ensuring the stakeholders don't disturb the developers during the sprint, optimizing the value of the product resulting from the work of the Scrum team. Answer is optimizing the value of the product resulting from the work of the Scrum team. The option is direct from the Scrum Guide and it represents one of the product owner's accountability. The Scrum Guide 2020 explains the product owner is accountable for maximizing the value of the work resulting from the work of the Scrum team. The terms optimizing and maximizing have a similar meaning. In the case of value, optimizing the value means getting the most value possible. Next question. The stakeholders are skeptical about the ability of the Scrum team to deliver product increment. Which of the following Scrum values affected by this? Options. Commitment, courage, focus, respect, openness, all of the above, none of the above. Answer is all of the above. The fundamental aspect here is a lack of trust. If you look after the word trust in the Scrum Guide 2020, you'll find the following. When these values are embedded by the Scrum team and the people who work with the medical Scrum pillars of transparency, inspection, adaptation, come to life building trust. Next question. A member of the Scrum team is manifesting unprofessional behavior towards the rest of the team. Should the situation persist, who is responsible for removing the member from the Scrum team? Options. Product owner, since they are responsible for the value resulting from the work of the Scrum team. The Scrum Master, because they are responsible for removing impediments. The team is responsible. They may ask the Scrum Master for support in the process. Answer is Scrum team is responsible. They may ask the Scrum Master for support in the process. Scrum team is self-managing. They must try to address the issue. Removing people from the Scrum team may be needed, but it must be their decision. However, if they feel that this is the best way, they will ask the Scrum Master to support their decision. Next question. The Scrum Master is considered management position in Scrum. What does the Scrum Master manage? Option. The rest of the Scrum team, especially the developers, the Scrum implementation in the organization, tracks absentees and monitors the capacity of the Scrum team, all the Scrum meetings, the velocity of the Scrum team, or requirements. Answer is the Scrum implementations in the organization. Scrum Master ensures that the Scrum framework is adopted and understood. Next question. When should the composition of the Scrum team change? Options. Never, as it affects the productivity of the entire Scrum team. As needed, taking into account a reduction in productivity. At regular intervals to promote knowledge exchange as needed with no reduction in productivity. Answer is as needed, taking into account a reduction in productivity. Over time, the members of the Scrum team change, and with every change, a temporary reduction in productivity is expected. Next question. How can the Scrum team make non-function requirements transparent? Option. Ensure that all automatic test suits are successful by the end of the sprint. Any identified work should be added to the product backlog and handled in the next sprint. Create a separate list with all known non-functional and ensure that everybody has access. Add them to the definition of done and make sure that every product increment adds to the definition of done. Handle any non-functional requirements in the integration sprint. Handle any non-functional requirement in the release sprint. Answer is add them to the definition of done and make sure that every product increment adds to the definition of done. If the non-functional requirements apply to the entire product backlog, it's a good idea to make them a part of the definition of done. Otherwise, non-functional requirements can also be added to the product backlog. Next question. A mature Scrum team will introduce a release sprint to ensure the product increment is integrated and releasable to the end user. True or false? Answer is false. There is no release sprint in Scrum. Any work must be handled within the sprint. Next question. Who can cancel a sprint if needed? Options. The product owner, the Scrum Master, the stakeholders or the CEO, the developers, the Scrum team. Answer is the product owner. Only the product owner has the authority to cancel a sprint. Next question. Which of the following is a good approach to handling the architecture of the product in Scrum? Options. The architecture of the product is constantly improved with every sprint along with any function requirements. Architecture of the product is created during the first sprints without implementing any other business functionality. There should be an external application architect handling the architecture. The architecture should be discussed and documented upfront before the first sprint starts. Answer is the architecture of the product is constantly improved with every sprint along with any function requirements. Next question. The Scrum Master in Scrum is quite similar to a traditional business analyst. True or false? Answer is false. The Scrum Master is not a business analyst. Next question. Right before the beginning of a new sprint, the developers raise a concern with the rest of the Scrum team. Some of the highest order product backlog items have a dependency on a component that's not yet available. Without the affected product backlog items, the developers will not have enough work during the sprint. How should the product owner order the product backlog? Options. Order the product backlog so that any product backlog items involving the respective component can be handled in another sprint. Order the product backlog to maximize the value of the product. Order the product backlog to ensure the developers have enough work. Answer is order the product backlog to maximize the value of the product. Maximizing the value is the primary concern of the product owner and is the best answer in this scenario. It's not very good advice from the practical perspective, but it's close to what the Scrum Guide explains. Next question. How much work must the developers do on the sprint backlog during the sprint planning meeting? Options. The developers should ensure enough work is planned to help forecast what they believe is achievable in the upcoming sprint. Work is often decomposed into smaller units of work not larger than one day. The developers must have a detailed plan for the infrastructure and architecture by the end of the meeting. The developers must create all the tasks needed to deliver the increment. The Scrum Master needs this information to create the burn-down chart and to be confident that the forecast is realistic. Answer is the developer should ensure enough work is planned to help forecast what they believe is achievable in the upcoming sprint. Work is often decomposed into smaller units of work not larger than one day. Next question. Members of the Scrum team feel that sprint retrospective is repetitive and doesn't have any real impact. For that reason, the Scrum team has voted to remove this meeting. How should the Scrum Master react? Options. This is offensive to the Scrum Master. If the rest of the Scrum team doesn't change their decision, the Scrum Master should raise a concern with the upper management. The Scrum team is self managing and any decision must be respected. Understand the concern raised by the Scrum team, work towards facilitating productive meetings. Let the product owner decide. The Scrum Master is anyway not involved in the development process. Answer is understand the concern raised by the Scrum team. Work towards facilitating productive meetings. The Scrum team cannot remove prescribed Scrum meetings. Scrum Guide 2020 explains the role of the Scrum Master in regards to meeting, ensuring that all the Scrum events take place and are positive, productive, and kept within the time box. Next question. What should the Scrum team do during the first three sprints? Options. Deliver a working and releasable functionality in every sprint, even it's very small. Plan and design the architecture of the product. Create a plan for the entire project. Create a full specifications of the product along with the estimates and have them approved by the stakeholders. Answer is deliver a working and releasable functionality in every sprint, even it's very small. This is the main requirement of a sprint. Next question. The product owner is responsible for optimizing the value of the work the developers perform. During the sprint planning meeting, the product owner must ensure that inner work is selected for the next sprint. This is to ensure that any project deadlines are met. True or false? Answer is false. The developers will pull items from the product backlog in the sprint backlog. The product owner cannot make the developers select more work than they are comfortable with. Next question. Why does the Scrum need a product goal? Options. The product goal is not needed if there's already a clear product vision. The product goal helps guide Scrum team over multiple sprints. Every sprint goal is a step towards reaching the product goal. A product goal is not needed if the product backlog is clear and ordered. Answer is the product goal helps guide the Scrum team over multiple sprints. Every sprint goal is a step towards reaching the product goal. The Scrum Guide 2020 explains the product goal describes the future state of the product, which can serve as a target for the Scrum team to plan against. Next question. When does a sprint end? Options. After the product owner accepts the work, when the sprint time box expires, when there is no more work in the sprint backlog, when there is no more work in the product backlog, when all the product backlog items respect the definition of done, when testing is completed. Answer is when the sprint time box expires. The sprint ends when the time box expires, regardless of any other factors. Next question. During the sprint retrospective meeting, the Scrum team can discuss the following topics. Options. The communication within the Scrum team, how sprint planning is performed, which technical skills can the Scrum team improve over time, how to wrap the definition of done, all of the option above, none of the option above. Answer is all of the option above. All of the options can be discussed during the sprint retrospective meeting. Next question. Which of the following sentences are true in regards to the product goal? Options. The product goal is a part of the product backlog. The product goal is created during the sprint planning meeting by the Scrum team. The product goal is a part of the sprint backlog. The product goal and product backlog are the same artifact. Answer is the product goal is a part of the product backlog. Scrum Guide 2020 explains the product goal is in the product backlog. Next question. In the spirit of self-management, the developers should create their own sprint backlog that contains a plan on how to deliver the product increment and any other work needed to ensure that everything is developed according to the definition of done. True or false? Answer is true. The developers own the sprint backlog, add any tasks required, and make changes to it anytime. Next question. What's the time box for the sprint review event? Option as long as needed so that everyone in the organization has a chance to test the product increment. Typically a full day, 4 hours for a 1 month sprint, 3 hours for a 1 month sprint, 4 hours for a 1 month sprint. The Scrum Master may extend this meeting if valuable feedback is still being gathered. Answer is 4 hours for a 1 month sprint. Next question. The Scrum team can invite person external to the team to explain how to turn the selected product backlog items into a potentially shippable product increment. True or false? Answer is false. The developers of the Scrum team are self-managing. No one tells them how to turn the product backlog items into a product increment. Next question. Why does defining a sprint goal during the sprint planning meeting help the Scrum team during the sprint? Options. It helps the Scrum team stay focused and collaborate towards a common goal. It typically helps the Scrum team during the first sprints. After the initial phase, it's no longer needed. It ensures that all selected product backlog items will be completed by the end of the sprint. It helps the Scrum Master direct the Scrum team during the sprint. Sprint goals are optional in Scrum. The product backlog is a single source of requirement. Answer is it helps the Scrum team stay focused and collaborate towards a common goal. Next question. The highest order product backlog items in the product backlog are not clearly expressed. Who is responsible for this? Option. The Scrum Master or the developers if this task was delegated. The Scrum Master, the Chief Product Owner, the Lead Developer, the Product Owner, the Lead Developer who represent the desires of the Product Owner. Answer is the Product Owner. Next question. Is acceptable for the stakeholder to silently attend the daily Scrum and collaborate with the Scrum Master on how to optimize the output of the Scrum team? True or false? Answer is false. The daily Scrum is meeting for only for the developers. Nobody else is present unless invited. The output of the development team can be inspected during the sprint review meeting. Managing the sprint work is not a concern for the Scrum Master or stakeholders. Thank you all for watching this video. With this, we have completed the next study question. If any questions, please ask me in the comment box. If you didn't subscribe yet, please do it. If you like this video, please like and share. For the latest notification of the related video, press bell icon. See you all with the next set of practice questions.